Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix where the file explorer of your Windows is crashing or keeps on crashing, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type here File Explorer Options. It's File Explorer Options. Now you have to click on that. Here in the File Explorer options, in the General tab, which is the first tab, open File Explorer 2, click on this drop-down menu, and then from the list, you need to choose this PC. Then clear File Explorer History, click on Clear, and then click on Apply, and then OK. Then for the next method, we also need to press the Windows key and R button together. Here in the Run window, type Task MGR. Click on OK. Now the Task Manager window will appear. Click on this Maximize. Then here in the list of processes, we need to look for File Explorer. So just simply click on the search bar and type Explorer. Now Windows Explorer will appear. Just simply make a right click and then select Restart. So once you have restarted the Windows Explorer, close this window. Then also make sure that your Windows is up to date. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on Windows Update. Then here, just simply do what it suggests, like check for updates or download and install updates. And also you have to click on Restart Now so that after you have restarted your Windows, the updates will be downloaded into your Windows. So you have to go for that. Then for the last method is we also need to perform the system file checker scan in case there are any integrity violations or to repair the system files. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD. Best match command prompt. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here, type sfc /scan now. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between, and then hit on Enter. So this process will take some time, so we just need to wait for this process to be fully completed. So once done, just type exit and then hit on Enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. So once you have restarted your Windows, then for sure the problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.